I will do next is very very useful. See, that is for linear by quadratic. Linear by root quadratic. Reverse problem this is. Understand that reverse problem. They will write answer. Okay. They are giving answer. Dx. Linear by quadratic, first you do this. Easy and very common problem. Very number of times they repeat this. Linear root quadratic. Linear by root quadratic. See? Very rare to get second and third. It is very rare of getting second and third quadrants. First variety very common. All the three are very guaranteed for essay type questions. Example I write here. 3x plus 2 by, you take any quadratic function, what you will consider a quadratic function? 4x square minus 5x minus 3. On quadratic I wrote, or 3x plus 2 root quadratic is 4x square minus 5x plus 3 dx, or 3x plus 2 by root quadratic. See, in all these varieties, if you consider this linear by quadratic, how they will give answer for this is a into log of denominator plus b times integral dx by quadratic. It is not easy to finish the solution, very biggest solution. So they will not ask you final answer. They will write like this, either A or B or both. They will ask A, B values. 1. Next, this variety. Linear root quadratic. Okay. A into, this is linear root quadratic. Okay. 2 by 3, 3 by 2 plus b integral root. This is a problem. They want a value, b value. Here a is as it is into 2 root 4x square minus 5x plus 3 plus b times dx by root quadratic. Here without root. This is with root. These are the problems possible. Okay. Linear quadratic combinations without root, with root, both are numerator. But answers they will write. Don't consider the answers are so much so important. They will definitely ask you how to find a value, b value. I will give you formula. A is p by 2a, remember. Okay, p by 2a over b. How to write b? Q minus bp by 2a. Enough. You are getting answers. Compare it to this formula. What is general form? P, Q, A, B, C. P and A only main. Here P 3, A 4. What is A value now? 3 by 8. All of them same formula. No changing. Same. Same. Answer is same. Expression is different because problem is different. But your A value, B value in every problem same answer. Find B value now. Q. What is Q value? 2 minus B into P. These two. Minus 15. by 2a. What is a value? 4, 8. Simplification. 16 plus 15 by 8 is how much here? 31 by completed. Compulsory they will write answer in this form. In this form to this problem. This is answer for this problem. They will definitely ask you A and B. When you see the combination of linear and quadratic, where is the problem not important? You remember only this results. A value P by 2A, Q value B value Q minus BP by 2A. Practice this only blindly. P by 2A, Q minus BP by 2A. Power. Particularly one number also they can ask either A or B. Both if they ask 3 by 8 to 31 by 8. What is in that difficult? Once you know the result, easy to finish. Original integration we are not finishing. Original integration, what is original solution? After getting this value, you have to finish here quadratic, above type, making perfect square and everything. That answer nobody will ask you. That is not objective type. This is possible in any entrance exam, not only CET. In mains, anywhere they will ask this only. No question of asking full solution. Nobody will ask. It is exclusively SLA question. Hence, how you will get A value, B value? That is our procedure. Then, next, after this, integration of some terms in the denominator with rational, irrational. Suppose root x, possible. That problem is possible. Variety write down like this. Dx by x plus root x. Dx by root x plus 1. Exclusively this variety problem also. A separate problem possible in this. Okay. In this or in this. This problem is there in assignment anyway. We are doing that problem only. Here, take root x common. Root x into root x plus 1. Then substitute root x plus 1 equal to t. 1 by 2 root x dx is equal to dt. Therefore, this is 2 dt. So, I equal to 2 times dt by t. 2 times log of t. 2 times log modulus 1 plus root x. Answer is finished. This is a particular problem. Suppose here root x not possible common. No other way of taking common. Then what you do? Root x multiply and divide. Then as usual substitution. Same. Dx by root x is 2 dt. This one. This is 2 dt. Okay. Then root x is t minus 1. T minus 1 by t. Split the denominator. 1 minus 1 by t dt is equal to t minus log t. Substitute t value. Root x plus 1 minus. Now what is the answer? Root x plus 1 minus log of root x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. But important problem. Here, answer only not important. Duplicate answer. This answer they will not write. What they will write? Root x minus log root x plus 1 plus k. You got this answer. They write this answer. Why? What is difference? One is in the solution, but in the answer it is not there. What is the reason? One is constant only. C is also constant only. 1 plus c is big constant. Why we write so many constants? Big constant together is k. That is the reason. Model is important. This model you can see in the assignment also, where the problem number I will tell you. Problem number 13 in the assignment. X plus root x. Okay? X plus root x. 2 log of 1 plus root x. Where is that answer? Second option. So, for this, next supplement is this model. Only root x plus 1. No other substitution. No simplification. We are creating one term extra whose derivative is present in the numerator. We are creating. Then we will start with substitutions. This is next procedure. Okay? So that models are there. That is why this also we are doing. Then this variety over. In the continuation, same problems we are using for definite integral. In definite integral, all this formula and problems, everyone is useful. Plus some more extra properties or formula you say in the chapter possible in the definite integral. Okay, now we will see some problems here. If you see first 9th worksheet, in that both 9th and 10th contains a combination of definite integral as well as indefinite integral. Since definite integrals we didn't write any formula, indefinite integral we know already. So I will finish problems of indefinite integration first. From the 9th worksheet, here you start with number 8. A different problem. Theoretical question is given. Derivative of f of x, 1 by 1 plus x square. Then what is derivative of f of x cube? A very variety. Not from our list of results, our subject. Separately, suddenly he is giving. D by dx of fx is nothing but f dash x only. So what is given here? F dash x 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative. They want f dash of x cube. Okay. Here, integrate this one. Integrating on both sides. Then the derivative cancel. Okay. Because integral and derivative are anti-operators each other. Cancelled on their own definition. It becomes f of x is equal to integral dx by 1 plus x square. What is integration? This is your function. Finally, they gave you f of x is equal to tan inverse x plus integral constant c. This is your f of x. Okay? Then, what is f of x cube? Substitute x is x cube. Tan inverse of x cube plus c. They want derivative. F dash of x cube. What is the tan inverse of x cube derivative? Chain rule. Function of function. Tan inverse derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. X cube whole square. Tan inverse derivative. What is extra? Second function x cube multiplied by x cube derivative 3x square. What is finally now? We are getting answer that f dash of x cube is equal to 3x square by 1 plus x power, because constant derivative 0. That is the answer where it is a concept related problem. Derivative is giving, he is asking this one, we are integrating, derivative cancel, you get original function f of x. For that he is asking you derivative, then where is this answer? Second option. Okay, then go to the next number 10th, as 9th is the definite integral. We will see later. 10th is very useful problem. Nowadays, applications they are asking. Applications in the sense, application of derivatives, integration, definite integrals, areas, anywhere you will come to other chapters called either physics or chemistry, biology, everything is possible. Now you see here a physics related problem. A particle is moving with velocity v of t is cos pi t along a straight line, rectilinear motion of the particle. Immediately you should get total concept idea. What is the total concept? It is related to linear motion of the body. When a particle is moving on a straight line, starting from rest origin towards right hand side, delta, assume that distance traveled is s positive, velocity v is positive, time anyway positive. It reaches the position p. In the beginning I told, we are discussing again in application of derivatives. In any case, you will get finally direct idea. It strikes direct idea because you are dealing with physics also. Linear motion of the particle, he is writing v of t. What is the reason here? The function is v of t. T is variable, time, velocity function, cos pi t. In that, he is giving some values. T is 0, then distance is 4. What is meaning? When it is not starting the motion, initially it is at a distance of 4 units away from origin. Initial time taken is 0. It didn't start any journey. So s is 4. Find out its position function. He is asking its position function. Now, as we know very well, because we are very strong in physics concepts, basics only, velocity is nothing but rate of change of displacement. Rate of change, rate means per 1 unit, per 1. In delta t seconds, there is change in the distance is delta s, change of time interval. Per 1 unit is how much? If you calculate, that ratio is called delta s by delta t only, where delta s by delta t can be written into the notations of ds by dt, where ds by dt represents the rate of change of displacement here, therefore this is called velocity only. Therefore, now I am writing here ds by dt is cos pi t, a differential equation. We are going anyway last chapter, differential equation. This is possible to solve separating the variables. ds equal to cos pi t dt, that method also possible. Here, because it is derivative, how to cancel derivative? How to eliminate derivative part? What is its enemy? Integration. When you want to send somebody outside, you have to call his enemy only. They will fight each other, they will go out, you are happy. Okay. Hence, you must be very happy by eliminating its this derivative symbol, integrating on both sides. Integral ds by dt with respect to time, you are integrating, is equal to cos pi t with respect to time. With time on it changes. What is this integral becomes? Yes, is equal to cos pi t integration sin pi t by pi plus some constant will come because it is indefinite integral. Cos ax integration sin ax by a. Now you have got a function s in terms of t, but c is unknown, indefinite. How to get that c value? That is why they gave you reason that initial data, initial values. Okay. T is 0, s value 4. Substitute here, sin 0 0. Then what is c value finally? 4, substitute here. Hence s is equal to sin pi t by pi plus 4. Third option. This is called position function. Position means distance. In other words, dt cancel, integral ds, integral derivative, anti-operators. Therefore, it becomes this. All that we need that to show. Finally, what is our subject? They gave me velocity function. This one. Velocity nothing but ds by dt. We want s. We don't want derivative. How to eliminate derivative? By calling its anti-operator. Who is the anti-operator of derivative? Integral. Therefore, integrating both sides. If we have integral, to eliminate integration, differentiate both sides. Therefore, integrating both sides. Just a little bit application oriented from physics. So, there is a chance of getting in the integration also, applications related to the subjects of either physics or chemistry or biology, we are getting problems. Okay, so this is one model which I discussed here. Reason that you must be aware of some applications. So for that reason this model we are discussed. Then already 11th is definite integral, leave it. 12th indefinite is completed. 13 also now only completed. Now I will do 14. Is also very useful problem. 2 e power x, 3 e power minus x by 3 e power x, 4 e power minus x is equal to, he is writing answer. Earlier I told they will not ask full solution. D times log of 3 e power 2x plus 4 plus c. They wanted a value, b value. A and b they are asking. Then consider this function here. Divide with e power x everywhere, or 1 by e power x write down. Then 2 e power 2x plus 3 by 3 e power 2x plus 4 dx. This is our problem finally after dividing, simplified. Now you have to do like standard type problem. Express numerator is equal to a into denominator plus b into derivative of denominator. What is derivative of this? 6 e power 2x. Now comparing e power 2x terms both sides. 2, 3a. What is a value? 2 by 3. Completed. Constants write down. 3, 4a. E power 2x terms 3a, 6b. 6b is there. Okay, 6b. Constants you write 3 here, 4a. From this what is a value? 3 by 4. Write down this a value here. Then 9 by 4, 6b is 2. 6b, 2 minus 9 by 4. Calculation not important. 2 minus 9 by 4. 4 LCM by 8 minus 9 I want to write to waste. Minus 1 by 4. What is b value? Minus 1 by 24. A and b finish. Go to problem. I can be written as in the place of numerator. We are writing this. A 3 by 4 into this plus minus 1 by 24 into derivative 6 e power 2x. Split the denominator. Split means separate. 3 e power 2x plus 4. 3 e power 2x plus 4. Answer completed. Next time will not do. You did not to go for integration. Understood? 3 by 4 into integral 1. A value 3 by 4. F dash x by f of x. He is writing plus. Minus 1 by 4 into f dash x by fx. What is answer? Log of denominator. What is b value? Minus 1 by 24. Therefore a and b completed. As per their intention we started doing solution. If they didn't give this answer, we have some other approach. You can start doing so many varieties. You can do the same problem without dividing. Express this numerator equal to as this, you can continue. Since he is writing e power 2x, that is the reason we are dividing. As itself, if suppose they didn't write answer, method is possible, little long. That is why earlier also I told repeatedly, whenever they will give problems of very bigger size, reverse problem only they will ask. They will write answer. They want unknown values. Now you got this way ABC, A value, B value, where we have answers here. A value 3 by 4, B 1 minus 1 by 24. Second option. Hence 14th is over. 15th is definite integral. Then is 1 plus tan square by 1 minus tan square. Trigonometry. 1 plus tan square x by 1 minus tan square x. According to options also you have to start solution. On your own you are not doing like this above problem. As per answer how they want you have to get. Therefore sometimes answers or its ABCD will give you a hint how to start solution. Because he is writing like that only I started doing. I didn't start like standard type as it is numerator equal to a into derivative everything I am not writing. Since he is writing. Here also once he gave problem ABCD he is writing all answers are in terms of tan. So you have to get in terms of tan. I don't want, I know the formula for cos 2x in terms of tan 1 minus tan square 1 plus tan square. So I write 1 by cos 2x integral 1 by cos 2x integral secant 2x. We know already secant x formula log of secant x plus tan x. No, waste. Not there in ABCD. According to ABCD, we have to get in terms of tan. For that reason, we know identity that numerator is 1 plus tan square. Now answer is finished. Substitute tan x equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. Secant square x dx dt. Therefore, dt by 1 minus t square. What is this result? 1 by a square minus x square. 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. Half of log where t value 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan. Then answer is finished. Which answer is given in ABCD? Where is that answer? Half must be there. B is given without half. Suddenly you put wrong answer. C is correct. D is correct. Half is there, plus is there. This is the procedure. But some difference I will show you. CET paper is okay. Waste exam, direct question or direct answer. In mains, how they will write it? You know this trigonometry? In trigonometry, you know compound angles. What is 1 plus tan by 1 minus tan? Tan of pi by 4 plus x. Hence, there is a chance of giving answer in the shortest form half log tan pi by 4 plus x also. These are the possible answers. So with all this, what is our final observation? When you see the problem in the integration of definite integrals, particularly after reading problem, if you know direct answer, they will give direct answer. ABCD, what are the answers also, you have to read it. Because I told earlier, you get tan inverse answer. They gave you 3 logarithm, 1 tan inverse, so answer is over. So, as and when you read the question, observe what are the ABCD analysis. Okay, this is question of ABCD are given. That will give hint where you have to start, where you have to stop. Where you have to stop? Earlier I told you have answer logarithmic, delta positive, delta negative, like that, quadratic. They gave 3 tan inverse, 1 logarithm. Observation, analysis, answer is logarithm. You put that answer, time waste otherwise. And when you read the question, keep an eye on ABCD. That is also best possibility. Like this, like that. In terms of tan, this will not be useful to you. Hence, that is the only best possible. Then next is definite integral, definite integral, definite integral. 2-0, easiest problem. See, problem number 2-0, simple to finish. Very, very ordinary problem. First level ordinary problem. First level means you understand. When you see the problem, immediate answer is there. Integral sin x by 3 plus 4 cos square x. What is immediate first level? Cos x equal to t. Then minus sin x dx is dt. Therefore minus dt. Minus outside dt by 3 plus 4t square dt by root 3 square 2t whole square. 1 by a square plus x square. What is result? 1 by a tan inverse x by a. Answer finish? No, not yet finished, because t coefficient is extra, into 2 will come outside. Minus 1 by 2 root 3 tan inverse of 2t, t value cos x. Where is that? Third option. Okay? Third option is correct answer. 2 cos x by root 3. This is about some basic problem. In assignment also we discussed some problems here. Fx power n f dash x, fx, this problem formula important. Fx power n into f dash x, what is integration? F of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. And one more very useful, f dash x by root fx. What is the answer for this? Immediately 2 root f of x, without doing any solution. 2 root f of x. This formula is useful in 22. Sin x minus cos x power 4, sin plus cos. What is derivative? Sin derivative minus cos derivative is here only. Fx power n, therefore n value 4. Then what is the answer? Sin x minus cos x whole power 5 by 5. Need not to do any solution. What is the problem? You know the result, 5 by 5 answer. Finish it. 24, e power x into fx plus f dash x. Earlier I told you, e power x into fx. So e power x log x. Answer. This already we have done. Repeated problem. Then f dash x by f4. This is also possible. This is also possible. Some models are there. Still we can discuss. Okay. Let us stop here. You can finish some more models. In the next episode, I will continue the same integration again. After doing some more problems in the indefinite integral, then I will start with the properties of definite integral. After finishing properties and formula in definite integral, then problems of 9th to 10th we are going to finish. Okay? Right.